Connecting Google Analytics 4 to BigQuery allows for advanced data analysis and custom reporting. Here's how to establish the connection. Access Google Analytics. Log into your Google Analytics account and select the GA4 property you want to link. Open GA4 Property Settings. Click on Admin in the bottom left corner of the GA4 interface. In the Property column, select BigQuery Links. Create a new link. Click on Link to create a new connection. Click plus link and choose BigQuery as the destination. Configure BigQuery linking. You will be prompted to sign into a Google Cloud account if not already logged in. Choose the BigQuery project you want to link with GA4. Select the datasets and tables where you want GA4 data to be exported. Set data export frequency. Specify how frequently you want GA4 data to be exported to BigQuery. Save and confirm. Review the settings and click Submit to complete the linking process. Data from GA4 will now be streamed or exported to the selected BigQuery dataset.